Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drink Ensure Plus. First, always check the expiration date on the bottle to ensure freshness. Then, give the bottle a good shake for about 10 to 15 seconds before opening. This ensures all the nutrients are evenly distributed throughout the liquid. For the best taste, Ensure Plus is typically served chilled, so consider refrigerating it beforehand. You can also pour it over ice. Ensure Plus is versatile and can be enjoyed in several ways. You can drink it straight from the bottle for convenience, or pour it into a glass if you prefer. Some people like to mix it with other drinks like coffee or a smoothie to change the flavor profile. It's designed to be a complete nutritional supplement, suitable as a meal replacement or an extra boost. When it comes to how much Ensure Plus to drink, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Generally, 1 to 3 servings per day is a common recommendation, depending on your nutritional needs. You can drink it between meals as a snack or alongside your meals to boost your caloric and nutrient intake. Remember not to exceed the recommended daily amount. Proper storage ensures the quality of your Ensure Plus. Unopened bottles should be stored at a cool room temperature, away from direct sunlight. Once you open a bottle, make sure to refrigerate any unused portion promptly. It's important to discard any remaining liquid after 24 hours to maintain freshness and safety. For an extra refreshing experience, try adding some ice to your glass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.